Welcome to Decorio Studio, your ultimate source for home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are exploring 15 serene Japanese-style indoor garden with bonsai and mini water features to transform your living space. We hope these peaceful designs inspire your next home project and bring tranquility to your environment. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful design ideas. Create a welcoming atmosphere by placing a miniature stone fountain alongside a meticulously pruned juniper bonsai. The gentle sound of trickling water immediately calms the mind as you step through the front door. Use polished river stones to line the base of the display for a clean and natural aesthetic. This simple arrangement sets a meditative tone for the rest of your home interior. Utilize a small recessed wall space to house a singular, dramatic cascade-style bonsai tree. Pair this with a hidden bamboo water spout that flows into a dark ceramic basin for subtle movement. Soft recessed lighting can highlight the intricate textures of the tree bark and the water surface. This setup proves that even the smallest corner can become a powerful center of gravity for peace. Transform your coffee table into a focal point with a shallow tray containing moss, sand, and a shohin bonsai. Integrate a tiny battery-operated water pump to create a circular flow around the central island of greenery. The combination of living art and moving water invites conversation and relaxation during social gatherings. It serves as a constant reminder of the beauty found in nature's delicate balance. The often neglected space beneath a staircase is the perfect location for a tiered indoor rock garden. Feature several different bonsai species at varying heights to create a sense of depth and mountain-like scale. A small, cascading waterfall built into the stone back wall adds a vertical element of sound and motion. This clever use of space turns a functional area into a breathtaking landscape feature. Frame your indoor garden with traditional shoji screens to filter natural light and provide a soft backdrop. Place a gnarled pine bonsai on a raised wooden pedestal next to a quiet stone water basin. The shadows cast by the screens throughout the day create a shifting tapestry of light and shadow. This arrangement evokes the timeless feel of a classical Japanese tea house garden. For those with limited space, a large glass vessel can house a self-contained Japanese landscape. Arrange a miniature bonsai atop a bed of lush moss and incorporate a tiny recirculating water feature. The glass walls help maintain humidity while offering a 360-degree view of your private miniature world. It is a modern take on traditional gardening that fits perfectly on a desk or bookshelf. Select a wide, shallow stone basin and fill it with water to create a still, reflective pond. Place a small, hardy bonsai on a submerged platform so it appears to float effortlessly on the water surface. Surround the floating island with a few choice koi-shaped ornaments or smooth pebbles for added visual interest. This design emphasizes the Japanese concept of ma, or the beauty of empty space. Combine a lush wall of living moss with built-in niches for small bonsai trees and integrated water drips. The water slowly trickles down the moss-covered surface, providing moisture to the plants and a soothing white noise. This vertical approach saves floor space while significantly improving the air quality and humidity of the room. It creates a stunning wall of green that feels like a slice of a mountain forest. Create a peaceful sanctuary for sleep by placing a low-maintenance bonsai on a nightstand near a small ceramic water bell. The rhythmic, melodic sound of the water hitting the ceramic dome promotes deep relaxation and better rest. Choose a tree with soft foliage and a calming scent to enhance the sensory experience. This intimate garden helps bridge the gap between the busy day and a restful night. Blend utility with beauty by placing a miniature Japanese maple bonsai among your culinary herbs in a sunny window. A small bamboo fountain can keep the surrounding air humid, which benefits both the ornamental and edible plants. The contrast between the delicate maple leaves and the textured herbs creates a vibrant kitchen landscape. This functional garden brings a touch of zen to your daily cooking routines. Contrast the raw textures of a concrete loft with a sleek, black slate water feature and a starkly beautiful bonsai. Use sharp lines and geometric containers to maintain a contemporary feel while honoring traditional Japanese elements. The juxtaposition of man-made materials and organic forms creates a sophisticated and balanced environment. This style is perfect for urban dwellers looking for a sophisticated touch of nature. If you have a skylight or large window, place a large forest-style bonsai group directly underneath the light source. Surround the miniature forest with a dry gravel garden and a single prominent stone basin for water offerings. The changing path of the sun throughout the day will illuminate different sections of the miniature landscape. This setup acts as a dynamic living sculpture that evolves with the natural light. Turn your bathroom into a luxury spa by adding a moisture-loving bonsai near the soaking tub. A wall-mounted water spout that pours into a bed of river rocks provides a continuous, calming soundtrack. The high humidity of the bathroom environment is ideal for many Japanese plant species. It is the ultimate way to decompress after a long day in your own private sanctuary. Enhance your reading experience by placing a wise, old bonsai tree on a shelf next to your favorite books. Pair it with a silent, bubbling stone feature that adds movement without distracting from your study. The presence of the tree encourages patience and deep thought as you lose yourself in literature. This thoughtful integration of nature fosters a scholarly and serene atmosphere. Use a long, narrow planter filled with various bonsai and a linear water channel to divide a large room. This living partition provides a visual boundary without closing off the space or blocking natural light. The sound of water running the length of the divider helps to mask background noise in an open-plan home. We hope these designs inspire you to create your own peaceful retreat. So please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.